Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ositali. If you are seeing my video for the very first time or you are coming across my channel for the first time, you are highly welcome to this channel. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and as well the notification bell so you get notified when I post my next video. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I made this beautiful wrap top with balloon sleeves. If that sounds like something you're interested in, please keep on watching and let's go straight to the tutorial. Welcome back guys. So for this tutorial I'm going to be making use of this white crepe fabric. So what I'm going to do right now is I will open up my fabric on the table and you fold it into just the way you see me doing right now. Okay, so after folding you're going to measure it to make sure it's up to your bust measurement divided by 4 plus all the allowances you are going to be adding. Okay, so after you're done doing that you're going to have something like this. Now I'm going to be ruling a line here which is going to be my starting line. I'm going to be drafting out the back first. Okay, so I'll come on this line and take my shoulder measurement divided by 2 plus ½ inch, come down a little bit and take the same thing and rule a straight line. So guys, after you're done doing that, you come here and come down by 1 inch, which is going to be for the slope. So you just measure 3 inches for the neck width and connect your shoulder slope. After you're done doing this guys, now the next thing you're going to do is to come down on this line, come down by about 8 inches on this line and roll it out. So after you're done rolling out that line, I'm going to go ahead now to take the length of my top. So I'm going to be making use of a length of 19 inches. So I'll mark my 19 inches and add extra 1 inch for the folding, the hem. So that is what I measure right now. So after you're done doing that, you come on this line and take your bust measurement divided by 4. Then you come and get the midpoint of this line here, just like this. Then you go in by ½ inch. And with the help of your French curve, you're going to get your armhole. So you're just going to use the curve rule to create the armhole, just like this. So guys, after you're done getting the armhole, now you're going to add extra 1 inch for the sewing allowance. Then you come to this hemline, take your waist measurement divided by 2 and add the sewing allowance as well. Then you connect. So guys, this is what you're going to have. So I went ahead to cut it out afterwards. So this is the back piece. So for the front, I'm going to fold my fabric into 2 again. You can see this time around I'm folding my fabric to be really bigger than my bust measurement divided by 4. Okay, then you're going to place the front piece on it like the way I did. You can see, making sure that the armhole area is facing you, and then you iron it out. Now I'm going to be tracing out this part here. So just trace out this part like this. Okay, after you're done tracing, now I'm going to remeasure the neck width. I say I'm making use of 3 inches neck width, so I measure it on the back piece, then I will measure it on the front as well. So that mark there now is where the neck starts from. So right now I'm going to go ahead to use this curve rule to just draw it out the way you see me doing it. If you don't have a curve rule, don't be bothered. Just try as much as possible to use your free hand to do something like what you see me doing. Okay, so this is how it is supposed to look like. So this is the wrap. Okay, this is the wrap. So I'm going to be adding extra long piece to this down part. Okay, you will get to know what I'm talking about later. So this is it. I went ahead to cut it out. So this is currently the front and the back piece. Now I'm going to flip it the way you just see me do right now, so I'll be able to cut out the back neckline. So I'm going to measure down 1 inch on the back. Then you just cover it like this, then you cut it out. So that is the back neckline. So this is it for the front and the back pieces. Okay, so guys, this is it. This is what you're going to have. Now we'll place this aside, then we'll go ahead to cut out the sleeve. I'm going to be cutting the sleeves one after the other because I don't really have fabric to fold the two at the same time. So I went ahead to draw a line using 1 inch. So that is going to be for the folding for the elastic band. So on that line I drew, I'm going to measure 10 inches. So you come here and measure the same thing, 10 inches, and you pull it just like this. So now on that 10 inches I came down by 5 inches. So you just make sure your fabric is as wide as possible, depending on how big you want it to be. You can see what I'm doing right now. I'm using my free hand to create the curve there for the sleeve. Did you see what I did, guys? So this is how you're supposed to do it. Then go ahead to cut it out, and this is what you're going to have. Now I'll be using this to cut another sleeve. So I just place it on another fabric and I cut out the second sleeve. So this is it, guys, for the drafting. So this is it, the front and the back pieces, and as well the sleeve. Now I'm going to go ahead to start sewing. So to sew this, I bring the back piece and I'm going to be sewing my cutting bias on the back piece. Then I will go ahead and fold the front pieces, that neck area of the front pieces. So you're going to go ahead to fold it just like this. So guys, this is what I had after I was done doing that. You can see I used the cutting bias to bias the back neckline, and I as well fold the front pieces as I said earlier. So this is it for now. Now I'm going to go ahead to join the shoulder. So you place the two front pieces on the back like this, making sure that the right faces are facing each other. Okay, then you're going to take this to the sewing machine and sew it. So this is what I had after I was done joining the two shoulders, as you can see. Now the next step is for me to attach the sleeves. So I'll bring the sleeves. I'm going to first of all, I'll take the sleeve to the sewing machine. This hem part, I'm going to fold it where I will be putting my elastic band. So I'm just going to go ahead to fold it like this. This is what I had after I was done folding it, guys. Okay, and as you can see, I already cut the elastic band I'm going to be using. It is 11 inches long. Okay, my elastic band is 11 inches long. So with the help of the safety pin, I'm going to use it to pass through my elastic band just the way you see me doing it. So when you get to this end, you pin it down so you won't have to repeat this process over and over again. Then you go ahead and take it all the way to the other end and you pin it down as well. So guys, this is it. I'm going to go ahead now to pin this down as well. I will repeat this same process for the other sleeve. Okay, so this is what you're going to have after you have put your elastic band through the two sleeves. Okay, now the next thing is I'll bring my fabric, then I will put this sleeve together and make a notch at the middle part. Then I'm going to take the fabric itself, then I will place the sleeve on it, the right sides facing each other. Then I'm going to sew it. When I get to this point here, I will make gathers. Just make gathers in a way that notch will align with the shoulder. Make gathers again, then you sew it all the way to the end. So guys, we did the same thing to the other sleeve. I'm going to show you what exactly I mean. Okay, so this is it after I was done doing that. You can see what I was demonstrating earlier. You see the gathers I made here and and on the other sleeve. Now guys, what I'm going to do is to join the sides. You put it together now and take it to the sewing machine and join the sides together. So this was what I had after I was done joining the sides together, guys, as you can see. So this is it for now. I'm going to be bringing these ropes. I told you I was going to extend the front. Okay, now I already sew ropes together. Now I'm going to place it together on this point of the front, then I will sew it on it just like that. So this is what I had after I was done sewing, guys. You can see I have long ropes now that I can tie. So the rope should be as long as you can actually, so you'll be able to tie it well. So this is it for the top, guys. This is basically all. I went ahead to hem the down part after I was done attaching the rope, and now our top is ready. You can see how it is looking. So this is how to make your own top. So you can see I wore it and it came out so nice. So let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to be seeing you all in my next video. Bye bye.